Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison of the OnePlus Nord versus the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, it is the Realme X7 Pro, which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, so which is a 8 GB RAM variant. And in my upcoming videos, I'll try to do the speed test comparison between both of the smartphones, opening the both apps at same time in both the phones. So let's see which phone will perform the best as well. In that is for another video, but in this video I'll be just comparing the displays of the both the phones. So in terms of the display specifications, the OnePlus Nord has the 90 Hz fluid AMOLED panel display and 6.4 inches screen size. So the screen size is very little bit smaller than the Realme X7 Pro and Gorilla Glass 5 production. So whereas the Realme X7 Pro has a super AMOLED panel and 120 Hz refresh rate. That's another good thing. And 6.55 inches, 6.44 versus 6.55 inches display. And pixel density you can see 408, and 402, and both are in the Gorilla Glass 5 production. And the Realme X7 has the 240 Hz touch sampling rate as well, and HDR10 certified as well, but it's not mentioned here. So fluid AMOLED versus the super AMOLED panel from the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see friends, which phone will actually perform better if you compare the displays of both the phones. And in case if you want to know for this kind of live wallpaper and punch hole wallpapers, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of the wallpapers. You can find very good amazing videos on the wallpapers of each and every smartphone in my channel. So let's get started friends with the comparison of the displays, and let me quickly go to the settings and show you what are the various options you do get in the both the devices. So let me try to go to the display, and in the display of the OnePlus Nord you can see there is an option of the color calibration where you can select the vivid, natural or advanced mode and AMOLED wide gamut as well. So this is the option which gives you the very good saturated color effect when you compare with the vivid mode. So there's a slightly difference if you use vivid and the AMOLED wide gamut. So at the moment I'll be trying to use a vivid mode, and in the Realme X7 Pro there is no such option of using this option. So there is no vivid mode selection at the moment. Screen mode is not there in this phone. So maybe in the future updates there should be given with the in the Realme X7 Pro with the screen mode. So let's get started friends. So right now I'm playing in the full brightness mode in both the smartphones. So you can clearly see both phones are having at full brightness at the moment. And the OnePlus Nord has a dual punch hole cutout, so which is not that pleasing to watch the videos. So in the both phones side by side. So overall, in terms of the visibility and the saturation levels and the contrast levels, so both phones are performing pretty good to each other. So there is nothing much a major difference is there. So fluid AMOLED versus the super AMOLED panel. So both are kind of very close to each other. But I did find a slightly higher saturated colors. So in the OnePlus Nord, because of using that option called vivid mode. So as you can see, if you observe these plants here, you can see these trees. So slightly brighter, slightly saturated than this Realme X7 Pro device. And I did like this kind of small punch hole camera. So the camera punch hole in the Realme X7 Pro is very small. So that's another good advantage. So this is the quick viewing angles of the both the smartphones, and I'm using the OnePlus Nord for the I think more than 1 month, and the Realme X7 Pro only for the I think couple of days, close to 1 week only. So I'll try to do the more in-depth comparison, speed test, battery, and other tests as well in my channel. So make sure to follow me regularly in case if you want to know more details about this Realme X7 Pro. So is it a good, is it worth to buy, or is it worth to wait as well? So you'll get to know more details in the upcoming videos. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison between both of the smartphones in terms of the display, and let me try to quickly decrease the brightness in both the phones. So right now, both phones are decreased brightness. So let me try to quickly decrease complete to 0. And I forgot to do the studio lighting off effect as well. So right now the studio lighting is not there that much, and let me try to quickly show you the difference here. So in this kind of scenario, you can see. So our friends, both phones are very good. There is nothing much difference here, and that's it, friends. This is a quick display comparison. And in terms of the display, the 120 Hz refresh rate has a very good positive advantage in this phone, and having only one camera is another advantage of decreasing this dual cameras. And big screen as well, 6.55 inches and 120 hertz, and small punch hole camera. So these are the advantages of this mobile phone Realme X1 Pro, and 240 hertz touch sampling rate as well. For more similar kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.